Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.